stung by the Congress's back-to-back defeats in Haryana and Maharashtra, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge basically had said that the party will have to focus on state-level issues besides national issues in the assembly elections and learn to convert quote-unquote what he says mood into actual victories. Indulging in some blunt talk, he basically asked how long can the state leadership depend on national issues and national leaders when it comes to fighting the state polls. Now, the major takeaways from the opening remark of Kharge at the Congress Working Committee meeting in New Delhi were his emphasis that the state issues cannot be ignored even amidst larger themes of the party's electoral narrative. The signal to his colleagues that it cannot be business as usual. He also said that when it comes to narrative, the Congress party had not been able to take their narrative to the people. They had not been able to convert that into votes. That's something which Mallikarjun Kharge had emphasized on. A war of words has basically broken out after Mallikarjun Kharge's statement. BJP has started hitting out at the Congress, saying that Kharge's statement and his remarks basically is an admission by the Congress party as to how Rahul Gandhi says the BJP does not work for the Congress party. BJP also says that this basically shows infighting in the Congress party when it comes to the issue of EVMs. Listen into what Rajiv Chandrasekhar, former union minister, had to say.
Poor Kharge Saab, who's been stuck there, put there as a figurehead party president, has no way to answer, no way to explain these defeats, excepting create some distraction. Now this new, they have tried the EVM angle. Within the Congress itself, there are people who are refusing to push the EVM conspiracy theory. Chidambaram has come out outside. Karti Chidambaram has come out. So therefore, the Congress party, to cover up the failure of Rahul Gandhi, is looking for an alibi. In a sense, Kharge Saab is accepting that the Congress High Command or the Congress leadership does not represent anything that people will vote for. Kharge Saab is in a sense admitting, यार राहुल के नाम पे वोट मत मांगो, वोट नहीं मिलेगा.
And viewers, a section of the party is basically alleging that manipulation of EVMs for recent losses, remember, including the Maharashtra assembly elections. However, sources are telling us that senior leaders within the Congress party like P. Chidambaram, Ajay Makan, Abhishek Singhvi and many others are not towing the same line. The Congress basically, remember, had cried EVM manipulation after their rout in Maharashtra and the setback in Haryana and suggested a return to paper ballots. Now, there was reported infighting in the Congress's CWC meet while Priyanka basically was batting for ballot paper system back. There were many others who had pitched for the VVPAT system. That's something which the BJP has picked on to attack the Congress party. Listen into the reactions.
आईएनसी का मतलब है आई नीड कंफ्यूजन, इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस नहीं. एक तरफ तो कांग्रेस पार्टी कहती ईवीएम का दोष है, हम हार गए, और अंदरूनी मीटिंग में खड़गे जी बोलते हैं ईवीएम का नहीं, हमारी एकता कमी रही. अरे जब आप जानते हैं कि किस कारण से आप हारे हैं तो ईवीएम को दोष क्यों देते हैं? मेमोरेंडम निकालेंगे, ईवीएम को दोष देंगे. आपके सभी नेता ईवीएम रखते हैं. झारखंड में ईवीएम ठीक, जम्मू कश्मीर में ईवीएम ठीक, वायनाड में ईवीएम ठीक. लीडरशिप को बचाना है, गांधी परिवार को बचाना है, इसलिए ईवीएम पर निशाना है. संवैधानिक संस्थाओं पर सवाल उठाना है. कब तक ये चलता रहेगा कार्यक्रम?